Hey guys, Rhett Weaver here from Lifetime Home Loans. Want to go over the current market as far as what we're looking at. This week is a really big week with the CPI report coming out tomorrow, and then we got the producer price index on Thursday. Kind of want to show you guys what's happening in the charts so you guys can be prepared, as most likely we should see interest rates get a little bit lower. With the CPI report, they're projecting that, the overall report of inflation is going to come down quite a bit. The core should drop as well. And then the producer price index on Thursday. So kind of taking a look here at these, the mortgage-backed securities or the 30-year, where we kind of look at the charts and realize that rates are getting a little bit lower, going a little bit higher. As you can kind of see, we've been on this downward trend, meaning interest rates have gotten a little bit higher. If this is your first time here, this red means interest rates going up, green means interest rates are coming down. And as you can see, we have made this turn where most likely we should see an improvement continue this week. And with these inflation reports and with some good numbers tomorrow and obviously on Thursday, we have a lot of room to the upside here where we should see interest rates get quite a bit lower. There's a lot of good stuff going on right now that is leaning towards inflation coming down quite a bit. We got that jobs report on Friday of this last week that was much weaker than expected, which also happened to rates. One other thing that I want to kind of bring to your attention right now that we're seeing a lot of, especially in the industry, is really what loan officers are doing to potential clients, because there's a lot of people hurting out there. There's a lot of bait and switching going on. There's a lot of, advertising certain rates that aren't true. I want to kind of show you one. Obviously, I'm not going to, disclose who they were or who this person was, but this will give you a perfect example of what happened or what is happening kind of in the industry right now. So to kind of give you an idea here, I've got a client that's purchasing, a $1.2 million home. They're taking out a $1 million loan. And this loan officer came back and basically said on a 30-year conventional fixed or a jumbo loan, they could give a 5.5% interest rate. The majority of right now that interest rate doesn't exist. So in my mind, we were sitting there thinking like, hey, could it be some private money? Could it be some type of one-off? Realizing that this is just a regular loan officer, I went ahead and told the client just to call the bluff, and come to find out the loan officer basically stated, hey, this was a one-time thing on July 3rd. Rates as of today are at 7.25%. If they wanted to kind of lock it in right now. And so just my advice out there is, you guys as real estate agents or as lenders or you guys as buyers, just be very aware of what's happening right now, in the market. Make sure you're getting some opinions on the stuff. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. But this week should be a good week for interest rates, and we'll kind of keep you updated as things continue to move forward.